Right, another quick video. Grades. I hardly use this, but this is I normally use a Google Sheets as a tracker, but this feature is here. So what Grades does is it brings in a matrix of the questions, assignments, all the stuff they've asked them to do, and you can see here that the demo student did turn in both the worksheet which we looked at and also the question. So you can see that this can become quite populated. Obviously when your classroom is rich with content. Class average, again, I don't really use it. If you are allocating students a percentage score for the things that they do, you will get a class average. You can click on either of these links and it will bring up the assignment, the task, or whatever it may be. Or you can click on the demo student here, or the student name, and it will bring up their profile, and it will show you all of the materials, all of their work over the course of the year, over the content of the unit. So you can see actually this demo student has only done 2 things, but it's not too bad because there are only 2 things in the classroom. So yeah, that was another really quick video from Grades. I'm going to return to classroom because that's classwork, because that's where I do most of my work.